Biryani is a food which lights up even most boring days. Mutton biryani is a royal dish that indeed needs no introduction or mentions. Biryani made of lamb is one of my favorite Pakistani or Indian food. It gets all its rich flavors from the exotic spices and the juicy, tender meat. Juicy pieces of meat are cooked in a yogurt marinade and then layered with crispy onions, fresh coriander, fresh mint, and basmati rice to give you a dish that the entire family will enjoy. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most flavorful mutton biryani. This lamb or mutton biryani is one of the most requested recipes and I'm so excited to share with you today. Do not go anywhere, let's get started. Soak basmati rice for a few hours in lukewarm water. Choosing rice for the biryani. Make sure to buy the best basmati rice. Here I use Taha brand, which I really like and I'm really satisfied. Good quality basmati rice is fragrant and has grains that are thin and long. Real basmati rice is what gives biryani its flavor and taste. To marinate the meat, in a bowl add 1 kg mutton pieces, add 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh green chili peppers, 1 teaspoon whole black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon red chili peppers, 1 teaspoon mixed mutton biryani spices, small cinnamon sticks, pinch of saffron strands, 1 teaspoon garam masala, black and green cardamom, few cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 cup fried onions, ghee or avocado oil. Here I'm using 3 tablespoons. Then add half cup of milk, 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves. Then add bay leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and lastly add some salt to taste. Have your gloves handy not to stain your hands, and nobody really likes yellow fingertips. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined. For extra flavor, I added about 1 tablespoon of biryani mix, which you can pick up from your local South Asian shop. You can keep the marinated mutton aside for 2 hours. It's very important to marinate the meat for at least 2 hours or overnight for the maximum flavor. On a high heat, add some oil in a pressure cooker or heavy bottom pan and add the whole spices. Black and green cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, peppercorn, and cinnamon sticks. Give a stir and add the 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Fry on a high heat for 7 minutes till the onions are light brown. Now add the marinated mutton, mix and fry on a high heat for 4 minutes. Continue to fry the mutton on a medium heat for another 5 minutes till oil separates. In order to enhance the flavor of the lamb, add half a cup of milk, water, sliced tomatoes, and some salt if you wish. Lastly, mix everything well. Close the pressure cooker. In case the pressure cooker has a vessel, cook for 3 whistles or for 30 minutes. Once the pressure has released, open the lid and dry up any excess water to get a thick gravy. To cook the rice, take one more heavy bottom pan. Add around 2.5 liters of water. Place it on a high heat. Once the water starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, oil, black cardamom, 2.5 tablespoons salt. Stir it well to dissolve the salt completely. The water must be very salty. Once the water starts boiling, add the strained basmati rice and stir it well. Continue to boil it on a high heat, stirring few times very gently not to break the rice. After around 6 to 7 minutes, when the basmati rice is almost done 80%, which can be checked by pressing a grain of the rice between two fingers. The rice should still be raw in the middle. Remove it from the heat and strain the water and set aside. Layering the rice and mutton. Take a heavy bottom pan and spread half the cooked rice as the first layer. Now spread the cooked mutton with gravy on top of the rice uniformly. Next, spread the remaining rice as the top layer. Sprinkle fried onions. Keep in mind fried onions are the key ingredient here. You can buy store-bought fried onions which are easily available in supermarkets these days. Then add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, and some lemon juice on top of the rice. Close the lid. Preheat the oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes. Allow it to rest for around 15 minutes. Once you open the lid, mix the meat and rice evenly to serve. Biryani is a celebration of aroma, color, and flavor. With perfectly cooked, fluffy grains of scented basmati rice and tender chunks of spiced lamb. It's my favorite part. It's the taste test time and I cannot wait any longer. I'm so hungry. So I'm just gonna dive in. I'm gonna try this out. Look at that bite, it's beautiful. Really, really nice. The meat is so soft, beautiful. Wow. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comments. It's gonna give me more motivation to make more recipe for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful video. I'll see you guys on the next one.